toda la familia.
To all the families who have been separated, this administration has hit us hard, but God will bring justice.
El Salvadorian national Kilmar Abrego Garcia spoke to a crowd of supporters before turning himself into immigration and customs enforcement Monday morning.
Y por eso quiero decirles las gracias a cada uno de
I want to thank each and every one of you who marched, lifted your voices, never stopped praying, and continue to fight in my name.
The 30-year-old Maryland father of 3 was told by the Trump administration this weekend that he was facing deportation to Uganda, a country he has no ties to. It's the latest update in his months-long legal battle with ICE. He was first taken into custody in March of this year and unlawfully deported to the notorious Seacot prison in El Salvador, where he says he faced abuse. The deportation violated a 2019 court order granting him withholding of removal due to credible threats from gangs, and that prompted the Supreme Court to order his return. Once he was back in the U.S., Garcia was immediately indicted on human smuggling charges in relation to a 2022 traffic stop in Tennessee, in which he was found to be driving an SUV loaded with 9 men, all without identification or luggage. He pleaded not guilty and was released from custody with supervision pending trial. But now, he's back in custody, and early Monday morning was handed a stark choice: plead guilty and accept deportation to Costa Rica, or fight the charges and leave to Uganda.
The government is far more interested in throwing around their weight and demonstrating what they think is their power to do whatever they want, whenever they want, to whoever they want.
Garcia opted to reject the plea deal and instead chose to take last-minute legal action.
Mr. Abrego Garcia has filed a new lawsuit in the Federal District Court for the District of Maryland, challenging his current confinement and challenging deportation to Uganda or to any other country unless and until he's had a fair trial as in an immigration court, as well as his full appeal rights.
His lawyer says Garcia is being punished for exercising his constitutional right to fight his indictment, and that sentiment is seemingly being shared by a U.S. district judge. Just hours after the lawsuit was launched, a judge ordered that the Trump administration may not deport Garcia until an evidentiary hearing is held. That decision is not expected to go over very well with President Trump, who on Monday morning once again took aim at Garcia, labeling him as a violent criminal.
He's not good for votes. He beat the hell out of his wife. His wife is afraid to even talk about him. She's been mauled by this animal.
Jennifer Vasquez Sura, Garcia's wife, has publicly acknowledged that she filed a civil protective order 4 years ago, but has reiterated on multiple occasions that it was done out of an abundance of caution and the couple have worked through their issues. For City News, I'm Karling Donoghue.